Hi guys, welcome to the 5D Tech YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel has become one of the goals of all of us. So today I am talking about how to create a YouTube channel. Come, let's make a YouTube channel with me. Before that, I want to remind you that if you have subscribed our YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button below and add the bell icon to it. Let's go to the video. First, you want to click on the YouTube icon. Then click on your account profile below. After that, create the account you want to create the YouTube channel. Now you can give the option of create a channel under your account name. Now you have to put your channel name on the page that comes to you. Then click on the save icon at the top. After that, give the option called create a channel below. Now you can make your channel right. After that, you will automatically go back to the home page. Again, you click on your account profile. After a while, you can take care of your YouTube channel. Now you go give the option called view channel. Then click on the pencil icon on the side of the page you come to. Then click on the camera icon at the top. Now add a suitable profile to you, a YouTube channel from your gallery. After that, your profile will upload to your channel. So today we are talking about how exactly to make YouTube channel. So it does not matter if you set up your YouTube channel like this. You need to set up your settings. So I hope to bring a video in future on how to make the settings exactly. So we say goodbye for all. Have a nice day.